कांग्रेस उपाध्यक्ष राहुल गांधी ने गुरुवार को नई दिल्ली में सीआईआई की वार्षिक आम सभा को संबोधित करते हुए कहा कि दुनिया में युवा मानव संसाधन की सबसे बड़ी तादाद भारत में मौजूद है, जिसका समुचित इस्तेमाल करने की आवश्यकता है। उद्योग जगत को अपने पहले संबोधन में उन्होंने कहा कि इनका कौशल निखार कर इनका पूरा उपयोग किए जाने की जरूरत है।
It is critical that the business environment for the creation of this dynamic infrastructure is stable and predictable. Secondly, people were not the only thing moving on that train. Ideas moved with them. And in the 21st century, we need to make ideas move fast. We need to aggressively build a knowledge infrastructure that will support this massive flow of ideas. Together, we must ensure that our knowledge, education, and skills define the global standard.
कांग्रेस उपाध्यक्ष ने सत्ता के विकेंद्रीकरण पर जोर देते हुए कहा कि ग्राम प्रधान और पंचायत स्तर तक के लोगों को नीति निर्माण में शामिल किए जाने की जरूरत है। उन्होंने वामपंथियों और दक्षिण भारत में राजनीतिक दलों की तारीफ करते हुए कहा कि वहां नीति निर्माण में प्रधानों को शामिल किया गया, जिससे गांव में सशक्तिकरण अभियान को मजबूती मिली है।
What you're actually seeing is a structure where the grassroots are completely disconnected. They're not connected to the political system. And that's where the dysfunctionality is coming. The Pradhans have the power to change this, and they'll do it. The really interesting question in Indian politics is, can we do something to our political parties so that we can absorb these guys in? And believe me, the moment you absorb these guys in, very simple thing will happen. Higher level policy will be dealt with by the MPs and MLAs. Lower level policy will be dealt with by the Pradhan. And a lot of the problems that are coming in our system today are because I am dealing with low level stuff. That our ministers are doing stuff that is actually not their job. It's the job of a local representative far outside. So until we actually open this political system out, this dysfunction will exist.
राहुल गांधी ने उद्योग जगत से सरकार का सहयोगी बनकर देश को आगे ले जाने के लिए साहसिक प्रयास करने की आवश्यकता जताई।
There is a strong connection between harmony and growth. I spoke about this energy, this movement, and there are two ways this movement can go. It can go harmoniously, or it can go disruptively. And the idea of the Congress Party is that it should go harmoniously. Everybody should move together happily. There's a strong connection between harmony and growth. India has grown faster under the UPA because we have greatly lowered tensions between communities, made growth more inclusive, and fostered an environment of tolerance and harmony. Anger, hatred, and prejudice do not contribute to growth. Do not underestimate the benefits of harmony. When you play the politics of alienating communities, you stop the flow of movement of people and ideas. And when that happens, we all suffer. Businesses suffer, the seeds of disharmony are sown, and the dreams of our people are severely disrupted. Once begun, this damage takes a very long time to reverse. It is very dangerous to leave people behind. Inclusive growth is a win-win for everybody.
उन्होंने कहा कि किसी समुदाय के साथ भेदभाव की नीति अपनाने से विकास प्रभावित होगा और पिछड़ापन बढ़ेगा।
I'd also like to tell you about what I feel threatens this movement of people. What is it that we should worry about? What are the things that can go wrong? Lack of infrastructure is clearly one. Lack of knowledge infrastructure is another one. But for me, the biggest danger is excluding people. Excluding the poor, excluding the middle class, excluding the tribals, the Dalits. And I'm going to tell you why. Whenever we've not embraced the excluded, women, the minorities, Dalits, tribals, we've always fallen backwards.
कांग्रेस उपाध्यक्ष ने उभरती हुई भारतीय शक्ति का जिक्र किया, जिसकी आवाज पूरी दुनिया में सुनी जा सकती है। राहुल गांधी ने प्रधानमंत्री बनने और शादी करने पर कयास के बारे में कहा कि ये सभी सवाल अप्रासंगिक हैं। ब्यूरो इनपुट्स के साथ सिद्धांत सिबल की रिपोर्ट, डीडी न्यूज, दिल्ली।